I want to encourage the graduating class of 2024 to stay the course and pursue the path of success by upholding the values that have been brought to you here. Values of diligence, commitment, integrity, teachability, and a strong sense of service. You possess the qualities needed to be leaders in patriotism, entrepreneurship, and public service. Your country expects great achievements from each and every one of you, and I am confident that in your potential to make a positive impact on our nation, you will waste no time and you will spare no effort. Go forth and lay the foundation of your legacy as individuals, as members of this graduating cohort, and as alumni of NYS. Additional initiatives have been undertaken to improve the terms of service within the organization and to embrace digital transformation that enhance transparency and efficiency in NYS operations. This commitment to accountability and service excellence is necessary because the government is committed to deliver full value for every shilling of public resources, and also because the legacy of corruption, wastage, and inefficiency, which has haunted this organization for over a decade, must be banished for good. As the nation's foremost steward of public resources, I am determined to transform NYS into a symbol of exemplary integrity, efficiency, and commitment to national transformation. I have no doubt in my mind that NYS has what it takes to be this great institution. To improve on the numbers, as I have directed that the next recruitment will have 20,000 recruits, I have today approved the recruitment of 200 additional cadet officers into the NYS and 500 private officers to support in the exemplary work that is going on at the National Youth Service. Let me also say that looking forward, the government will continue to support the National Youth Service as a critical driver of national youth empowerment.